Hello, this is Jeremiah. We are at 2000 with Bull Ridge Plumbing. We're at 2006 East 16th Street doing a dirty movie from the roof. We're approximately 96 feet to the city tap. It is plastic right here. Plastic is kind of short-lived, but you'll see that as we pull back. Make a little transition here. This is the SDR piping, the plastic. And right there at 93 feet, we are in clay piping already. So about 3 feet there, right before the tap, is plastic. The rest of this is clay. Get quite a large offset right here, but it is in the correct flow direction. Kind of some weird pieces put together. It looks like there's multiple offsets there. I'm gonna have to pause this for a second. All right. Didn't even know I was gone. Just had kind of a bad placement on the camera, so I had to move it a little. So in clay, you'll see these offsets. You'll see tree roots, very common in a clay piping system. Seen some minor root growth at a couple of these joints here. We've seen the offsets. There's a little more roots. This is what happens when they get a little bit of chance to grow. Looks like something had gone through to cut this and was only able to get the left side. Roots. No roots. Very common thing. So with roots, it's always going to be a lot of maintenance involved. Well, not a lot of maintenance, but maintenance involved. They will have to be cleaned up. A Root X treatment is always recommended. It's a foaming herbicide that goes inside the pipe, coats all top side and everywhere on it. That way it can help kill off these roots and prevent them from growing into the line for up to a year. With a steady maintenance plan, the Root X may be all that's needed without having to get equipment out and cutting through all these roots. You may be able to just do it with some herbicide. Right here, we kind of have like a T. I think it's just for catching the basement bathroom. I don't think that we're on a shared line, but really unsure where that left side goes to. You can see there's definitely some roots right at this point as well, before it goes into that. Got some roots growing in from the top, not at a joint, which is a bigger concern. They may be just growing across the top, hanging on there, because this is cast iron now. You can tell by how rough it is. So definitely want to get that cleaned up and then take another look at it. Make sure that there's not some cracking going in on the top of that pipe. Because that is a possibility with those roots kind of out there in the middle like that. And here at 20 feet or so, we make our transition to vertical to come up out of the roof vent here. And the lens off and show you around what we got. So we are up on the roof. That's the roof stack we went through. There is a roof stack over here that's been capped off. Not too sure why, but this one is the one that's definitely connected to the main. Out there's the alley, and then out that direction is the street. Thanks for watching.